Hey family, welcome back to I finally have my headboard up. That's what I'm welcoming you up to. Hey fam, happy Easter, happy Good Friday. I'm back back with my second weekly video, and it's going so well, so I hope you guys recognize. Anyway, I'm back with my part 2 of my DIY velvet headboard. I'm just here to show you guys this wonder, this I can't even begin to describe how happy I am to have finally finished this, to finally sleep with a bed that has a headboard. This is my first big DIY project and I couldn't be happier. Anyway, let's get straight into me showing you how it's actually anchored to the wall. It's not nailed to the wall, it's standing on those panel coated with some varnish. So I want to show you how it looks like. I took a few pictures which I'll be showing you now. Now that you've seen how easy I could achieve this, I hope you guys will be able to send in a few pictures of your completed headboard projects. I've put a list on the previous video on part 1 of all the materials used with every DIY that I'm doing that is related to my bedroom makeover. I'm going to be room tour so you can keep up with how my room looks as I go with the DIYs. I'm actually now very excited to be busy planning my second big project, which is also going to be a part of my bedroom makeover. I'm so excited for that. I literally cannot wait, but I'm in a very tight space now because my schedule has changed. I'm not going to be available to do any DIYs during the day, so I hope you guys will be able to enjoy my videos still if I have recorded at night, because I love showing you crisp videos where you can see all the details. But whenever I get the chance to film during the day, I definitely will. I'll try my best to make sure you are part of this new big project that I'm working on. And also I just wanted to say sorry for my very thick and maybe shaky voice. I had some tonsils during the week. They've subsided. My throat is still a bit clogged, so I'm dealing with that, but I didn't want to not post this week. I'm not gonna take any excuse that comes my way that is gonna hinder me from posting every week. So that is every Friday I'll be putting up new videos of whatever I have DIY'd, whether it's for my room DIY or just any DIY. So let me give you that tour that I promised. I know I've been rambling, that's just what I do when I'm very excited. So these tonsils aren't doing me any justice. Anyway, I'm just so happy. I hope you can see it, and I hope my nervousness doesn't take over how excited I am, because like I said, I'm still getting used to recording talking to a camera. But I'll get used to you, fam. I'll get used to the camera, meaning I'll be getting used to you. Your comments will give me more confidence. If you comment, if there's engagement from me and you guys, then I think this whole nervous energy I always have when I'm recording, it won't be there once I get used to this thing. So let me give you a tour of my bedroom now. Okay guys, so this is essentially what you see when you are standing straight behind the door. You just see the bed, there's that chest of drawer. I've now put up a chair, and it has a neck pillow that I use when I'm braiding people's hair. This is my recent DIY. I DIY'd my mom a plant holder, a pot, whatever you may want to call it. I just DIY'd this 2 days ago. And I also spray painted this mirror. My mom gave me this mirror. It came along with her, what is that? It came along with her bedroom suite. So this is the mirror that it came with. She's never used it all these years, and when I saw it, I was like, you know what, I could do something with it. So I just quickly got some spray paint from Checkers. It was only 50 rand, and I used it to spray paint this mirror, as well as the legs of this chair that I got from Pep Home, which was very, very, very reasonably priced. So I'm happy for that. I haven't gotten around to painting my chest of drawer handles, and I really cannot find the other handle, which means I'm gonna have to get a new one to make sure that this looks put together. And I recently got this word frame, which I am so excited to have as part of my Instagram page for DIY Home Projects SA, because I'll be using it to invite you into something new, to just let you know of anything that I'm doing if I don't have like pictures, or just incorporate it into my page. So I have a beautiful feed with this frame, and I'm very, very sure you've noticed that I've decluttered the top of the chest of drawer based off of my first DIY, or not my first DIY video, that chest of drawer video. I think it was my second video. So, well, yeah, it was my second video. So I've decluttered the top of my chest of drawers. This plant, I just put it up here so you guys can see it. I use this mini, I don't want to call it a tray, a plate. It's made out of plastic. I got it from DMF, that is Discount My Fashion, for only 30 rand, and it has this beautiful print. I'm not sure if you can see it. It has this beautiful print, and I use it as just a giant trinket holder. Whenever I get home from work, when I take off my watches, all my jewelry, I just leave it here. So this plant normally isn't here, just looks like this for now. And that frame, it's not always there. I put it in this top drawer where it's just has always been messy, but it works. And what else am I missing? Ooh, you guys, I don't think you want to see this, and I don't think I'm happy to show you this, but remember the back of my doorway, I had blankets, my sister's blankets, and some paper bags. Well, that stack, or that stash, or that mess, or whatever you want to call it, has just been I'm not happy. I get happy showing you this. So now there's more blankets, Sadie's blankets. I have my daily bag over there. I don't know why I put it there. There's just this paper bag full of bags. There's my makeup toiletry bags, more blankets. It's just a mess. But this side, there's literally nothing at all. And I've taken my mom's curtains because they match with somewhat the paint. So I've changed the curtains here. I was thinking of getting white curtains, so I still have to come up with the money for that. And this video is all about this headboard, and you guys, I don't feel like you understand how proud this girl is I'm so proud of myself. Ooh, I'm so proud of myself. I'm so happy with how it came out. It's so lush, it's so just luxurious. It's my style. The color, because initially I thought I was gonna go with beige, but I've always known that I'm not a beige girl. I'm just not a beige girl. Maybe in years to come I'll be a beige girl, but no. So basically the colors that I'm going for in this room are gonna be green, white, black, and gold. And anything else will just be a part of accessorizing, but the main colors are gonna be green, brown, black, and gold. Did I mention brown first? Yeah. But I have a mood board set up for how I want this room to eventually look like. It's a very tiny room, and it doesn't need a lot of things going on. And I'm so scared of my second big project because it's gonna have a great impact on this room. But anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this. I really hope you enjoyed this video, you guys. It's been a pleasure sharing my headboard DIY experience with you. So look out for my next DIY project coming in a week from today, which is going to be next Friday. Have a very lovely Easter weekend. I hope you guys are safe and at home, and just enjoy your day off. I'm not off of work. I'm gonna be working for this weekend, but I got a chance to spend today with my daughter, which is super wonderful. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll be able to see what we did today, and it was just marvelous. So thank you guys for tuning into my channel again. I hope you enjoy my content. Can't wait to see you guys again next Friday. Bye.